start, he was therefore under no obligation to provide maintenance for her, that he had already paid maintenance for her at the rate of rupees 2000 per month for about 2 years, and that he had deposited a sum of rupees 300 in the court by the way of dower or mahar during the period of iddat. Full stop. Stanza. August 1979, the magistrate directed the appellant to pay a princely sum of rupees 25 per month to the respondent by way of maintenance. Full stop. In a revisional application slid by the respondent, the High Court of Madhya Pradesh enhanced the amount of maintenance to rupees 179.20 per month. Full stop. Hence, the appeal by special leave by the husband. Full stop. The view taken in the earlier 2-3 judges benches of the Supreme Court presided over by the Christian Layer J and reported in within bracket 1979 to scare 75 and within bracket 1983 scare 1127 to the effect that section 125 of the code applies to Muslim also, and therefore the divorced Muslim wife is entitled to apply for maintenance was doubted by the bench consisting of Faisal Ali and Vridrajan J.J. since in their opinion the said decisions required reconsideration by a larger bench consisting of more than 3 judges, as the decisions are not only in direct contravention of the plain and unambiguous language of section 127 within bracket 3 within bracket b of the code, which far from overriding the Muslim law on the subject protects and applies the same in case where a wife has been divorced by the husband and the dower specified has been paid and the period of iddat has been observed, but also militates against the fundamentals concept of divorce by the husband and its consequences under the Muslim law, which has been expressly protected by section 2 of the Muslim Personal Law within brackets Shariat Application Act 1937, an act which was not noticed in the said two decisions. Full stop. Stanza. Clause within bracket B of the explanation of section 125 within bracket A of the code, which defines wife as including a divorced wife, contains no words of limitation to justify the exclusion of Muslim women from its scope. Full stop. Wife means a wife as defined irrespective of the religion professed by her or by her husband. Full stop. Therefore, a divorced Muslim woman, so long as she has not married, is a wife for the purpose of section 125. Full stop.